Unleash your photo memories. Google Photos makes organizing a breeze. Google, a search engine giant, is incorporating more of its Gemini AI into each of its products, with Photos being the next target. CEO Sundar Pichai unveiled a tool called Ask Photos today at its Google I/O Developer Conference 2024. Ask Photos is supposed to help you identify certain photos in your gallery by chatting to Gemini. Ask Photos will appear as a new tab at the bottom of your Google Photos application. Moreover, it'll begin trickling out to one subscriber first in US English over the next few months. When you tap on that panel, you'll see the Gemini star emblem and a welcome message above a bar that says search or ask about photos. According to the company, the Ask Photos method consists of 3 parts: understanding your question, crafting a response, and ensuring safety and remembering corrections. Though safety is only discussed at the end step, it should be baked in all the time. The business recognized that the information in your photos can be deeply personal, and we take the responsibility of protecting it very seriously. Google Photos is using the power of Gemini to obtain more relevant searches, including a new tool called Ask Photos with Gemini, which allows it to search and choose photographs based on contextual replies.